is by Ms. Darpana. It says many times patient is not comfortable with replacement therapist since it is a matter of just 2-3 sessions. Then how can we work on that?
See, basically you gave replacement patient therapist when you are in problem. So from day one, what I do is that from day one I tell them we are a team of 1 or 2 or even if you are not in a team, say that we are working in a team of 2. I will be coming most of the time. If I don't come, then I will send someone from my team and to take away this problem. Like I don't want anyone else. So please, before you give a replacement therapist, that replacement therapist has to come with you to the patient, has to see the patient. So what I follow the protocol that every patient is always given to two therapists, and sometimes I send both the therapists together, and both the therapist knows what is going on. So if you are giving a replacement therapist, suppose you are going to go on leave from tomorrow, take the replacement therapist along with you, and then he can see what are you doing, and he can also do the exercise in front of the patient. There is no inferiority complex like why should I show you, can I do the same thing or not. It is not about the same thing. It is not about how effective or how great you are and how great he is. It is about the trust of the patient. If you go there and you assist maybe 10%, 20%, doesn't matter, but the patient has to trust you. The whole business about the trust, we always believe what we see. If the patient has not seen you, they have not communicated with the replacement therapist, they don't trust them. So one of the simple way to that, tell on day one. Second, take the replacement therapist with you, do the demo, and the only problem is here is that who is going to pay for that bill. So it is a mutual discussion. Either you can share the bill, or you can tell the therapist, see, I cannot pay you for the this bill, but from tomorrow the patient will be there with you for 2-3 days, so you can get that payment. If he likes, then do that, or you can share the bill of that day, either 50-50 or 80-20, whatever is communication. So the point is, what I'm trying to take is that you should create a team of 2 or 3 people. So suppose you don't want to pay for that visit. So today he is your replacement therapist, you don't pay for that home visit, but next time when he will call you for the home visit as a replacement therapist, he will not pay you. So it's a mutual give and take relationship. So it's all about the communication with your team or the replacement therapist and the communication with the patient as well.